Get it.
Everything must fall, must fall. Let's go from the bottom, bottom to top. Keep the target steady. Looking good. Get in, get in. I've got it. Yes. One, well done. Well done. Watch the quantity. Hey, hurry up. You can move a lot further though. Line both of you from the line. Make sure the ball doesn't fall. Hold it, there's a chance for the tire. Steady. Beautiful, beautiful. Just a little more. Well done, one, another one. Hey. Adjust. It will go. There are two separate ones. Chance to hit from the straight side. Well done, well done. Yes, it will go. Bullet.
Another one. Beautiful. This small one is fine. Just fix the target. There will be 3. Okay. Well done. No need to take shots one by one. There you go. Well done. Beautiful. But yes. Well done, well done, well done. Sadiq, don't miss. Well done. 1, 2. There's one more. Well done. Three.
No rushing. Relax. Target 1. Now give a bit more of an outlet. You are rushing. Target less. Keep the target accurate. It's moving back though. It says the top one is actually easier, the middle one is tricky.
This on the side. Pass the ball.
Balance it, make sure the ball doesn't fall. Hey, don't rush it, hit black. Didn't hit a single one. It's in the head, just hit the ball and it will work. I'll move the balls out of the way. Finish them one by one. Finish them one by one. One more.
No, not yet.
Focus all at once. It'll take time. 3 parts, it'll take time. You come and play. There's a chance to move further here. All the balls will fall if you do that.
It's slipping. Slowly, all the balls will fall.
Let's gather the balls. Let's leave that. No, there is a chance now. There's a lot of game left. Let's target, hit left. It will hit, it will hit. Now there's one left. Body line, body. Still there, not yet. Focus, focus. It won't go with a board like that. A little slower, slowly. Will it go?
Go slowly.
Then a little harder, a little steadier. It will go. One beautiful. Well done.
Quickly, there you go. That.
Saheem, well done, beautiful. I will do it from all places.
Let's change places and do it. Stay inside, look inside.
The previous step was difficult, not much chance, but keep hitting. I will hit from everywhere. I will hit from everywhere. Well done, well done.
Quickly.
I will hit from everywhere, so keep hitting the ball. Oop. It will go, it will go. It will go. Don't burst the ball this time. There are balloons before. Saqib, roll the ball. More ball. Roll the ball quickly. Not from one place, but from different places. Move the rope, move the rope. Let's hit in front of the rope. Less speed, more balls. It will go. It's because of the speed. One, yes, still one is staying in front.
It will go. It will go. It will go. Naheem.
Naheem, quickly, Naheem, roll the ball. Roll more balls. If I hit from all places, it will go, but the last one. Who will come first in the final challenge? Naeem, roll many balls. Let's hit. It will go, it will go. Oh! Razi, don't just stay in one place. Hit from different places. Yes, if the speed is slow, the ball won't hit. But Naeem's speed. A little bit higher, reduce the speed. Naeem, move the rope away. Move the rope, move it, hit from this side. Keep hitting from here. One by one, yes, yes. One ball needs to come through there. No speed, no speed. Slowly, slowly, the ball. Let me bring the rope. More. Take the ball. It will go. Slowly, no. If it goes too fast, it won't come. That's why it's not going. Look, slowly. Evenly, but slowly. One. This is the last step. If I can hit this, it's done. Quickly, do one. Let's target hit. Yes.